Good evening and welcome to the Ultimate Premium Challenge presented by Trading 5 Talents. In this bantamweight bout, it's NKLA versus MARA. This is the opening of round one. But before we get into the bout, let's take a look at our two contenders. Trading out of the red corner is NKLA Motor Corporation. NKLA Corporation is a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty commercial battery electric vehicles, fuel cell electric vehicles, and energy solutions. On Monday morning, it had an opening price of $5.61. And trading out of the blue corner is Marathon Digital Holdings. Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc. is a digital asset technology company which engages in mining cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. On Monday morning, its opening stock price was $7.43. So on Monday morning, shortly after open, you can see NKLA's price dropped to $5.45. Looking at the puts, the short puts, the $5 strike price was only 11 cents. So the decision was made to go for a more aggressive strategy, and that's the buy right strategy. So 100 shares were purchased at a total of $5.45 per share. The order was soon filled for a total of $545. A covered call was then traded immediately at the $5.50 strike price for 23 cents. So it turns out this covered call limit price of 23 cents was actually filled at 24 cents for a potential profit of $24. With NKLA coming out swinging directly with the buy right strategy in round one, MARA had a more defensive position and a more defensive strategy. The strategy for MARA was a cash secured put for the $6.50 strike price. You can see that this order was filled pretty quickly for 23 cents. So this was a more defensive position because the total profit that could be made is $23 for MARA in comparison to the $24 covered call for NKLA plus the extra 5 cents if it actually gets in the money. Here early in round one, you can see that the capital used already is more with the MARA cash secured put than it is with the NKLA buy right strategy. So I would say early on, there's an advantage to NKLA, but that could change as we progress into the later rounds. So if you want to keep up to date with how this UPC bantamweight bout is going, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch the closing of round one.